What? Misa, are you okay? Do you need any help?
Nope, I'm good.
You sure?
Hello, sir. Don't worry, I got this. Volkswagen has 24 hours roadside assistance to help our customers whenever they need it. You can even book it through the Volkswagen Cares app. It's as easy as a touch of a button. Whether it's flat tire or battery problems, it's free for 5 years too.
Whoa.
And if you sign up for Volkswagen Care Plus, you can get a free 2-year extensions for roadside assistance. And you can have me for 7 years.
What?
Hi, I'm Asman, your after salesman. Thank you for watching our video. Please click here to check out another video and click here to subscribe to Volkswagen Malaysia's YouTube channel. Bye.
Volkswagen.